Hello smart people, welcome back to this comments class. In today's video, I'm going to show you a Google link where you can get a full cybersecurity course material for free. So it's a Google Drive link which I'll share it in the description section where you're going to get full access to this course material. So you have the cybersecurity volume 1, cybersecurity volume 2, volume 3, and also the volume 4. So with the volume 3 and 4, it's a zip file, so you need to download the file. Okay, so we have the volume 4. When you click on it, it's a zip file, so you need to download the file. But with the volume 1 and volume 2, so volume 1, we have from chapter 1 to chapter 12, which it comes with video, PDF, assignments, and other practical materials. Yeah. We have practical sections too. You have the introduction. Now when you go to the introduction, you see the welcome. So let's open this file and see.
Under the cybersecurity company Station X. I'll be your instructor throughout this comprehensive course. I have over 20.
So this is the introduction. It comes with video, PDF. So the first introduction or the first chapter is only video, which talks about the whole course, about the cybersecurity. And we have the chapter 2 too. We have a lot of things here. We have the goals and also the learning objective. We have the threat modeling and also the risk assessments. We have the zero trust model, which is very important when it comes to cybersecurity. We have a whole lot. We have the encryption crash course. So when you go to the encryption crash course, we are going to get a hash function, the digital signature. We are going to get the SSL stripping. We are going to get a lot of things here where it comes with a practical section and also a file which you can get access to. So for instance, this SSL sniff, let's open it and see. Okay, so this is the link. Let's open the link. Okay. So not found. I think the file. Let's try and check other file and see. Okay. Add-ons. This one too. I think maybe it's an extension. Okay. Let's try this for the last. Let's try this. Okay, so we have the security pitfalls in cryptography. Yeah. Okay, so there is also a web page where you can learn about some security write-ups or some security essays. It's also part of the course material, which is very, very important here. Okay, we have the reducing threat privilege, we have the security domains, and we have the wrap-up. Okay, so when we come to the volume 2, we have some folders which there is no file inside, but we have others which we have some, like the wireless router here. We have the Wi-Fi weakness, we have the Wi-Fi security testing, we have other official notes which you can also go through. I've gone through some of the videos and also some mini projects like the test penetration, which is very effective, which I hope when you complete this whole course material, then you have a grant or you have a firm stand when it comes to the cyber security. You get a lot of exposure, you learn a lot of things, and you can also take professional certificate courses to get the certificate course too. And we have, as I said earlier on, we have the volume 3, volume 4, which is the zip file. That one you need to download it before you can get access to. When you download, you unzip it and you get full access to the course materials. Okay, so that is all for today. A full cybersecurity course material, which is for free, and the link will be shared in the description section. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video. Peace.